Notice the richness, the warmth, the charm of these sidewalls. And of course, because they're made of asbestos cement, they're practically indestructible.
It was natural that scientists would turn to asbestos, for this is a remarkable mineral. Actually stone, it is made up of tiny but flexible fibers. This material is not only attractive, but fireproof too.
Oh, it is attractive.
Yes, and it'll stay that way too. That's what I like about it.
This material won't rot or decay, so it doesn't need paint to preserve it. It was absolutely fire safe, for even a torch couldn't burn it. It withstood all kinds of weather, sun, wind, snow, and sleet. For here, like your modern plastics, is a material made according to plan. Strong and tough, it was given every conceivable test. A product developed to meet your needs and designed for a lifetime of beauty. And science also created asbestos cement roofing,
Made for lifetime use.
Asbestos will not burn. In fact, it is best known for its use in all fields of fire protection. And to the great success of asbestos, which has made buildings safer and more durable.
I like it very much.
And so, we suggest you consider this material for the walls of your home, designed to last a lifetime, a trouble-free lifetime.